If you're experiencing login issues with Barclays mobile banking, follow these steps to quickly resolve the problem and regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Step 2. Update the app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Barclays mobile banking app. Go to your device's app store, search for the app, and update it if necessary. Step 3. Verify your credentials. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Clear app cache. If the app is still not working, try clearing the app cache. Go to your device settings, find the Barclays app, and select the option to clear cache or data. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Barclays customer support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue or reset your login credentials if needed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues and access your Barclays mobile banking account smoothly.